All right, so welcome to what I guess technically would be day 5. Left you off with getting the motor completely disassembled, and now over the last couple weeks, I've been going back and forth with the guy that I'm gonna have do the build. I've decided against assembling it myself. Just gonna pay someone else to get this done right the first time. I don't want to blow it up. But we've got our full parts list together. Made a few changes. We'll go over that in a little bit. But once we get the motor dropped off, we can go back to working on what we got in the engine bay. As you know, there's a lot of work to get done in here. Everything that was rubber's got to go. We're going to replace probably all the wiring. I would like to repaint the engine bay, but it's probably not going to happen. We'll see. It's end of March right now in Arizona, and the weather's great. We'd like to get as much done out here as possible before it gets too hot. But I got to pull the transmission still. Got to rebuild that. Probably gonna end up having to pull the rear end, change the gears. You know, everything that's involved. It's a lot, but let's get to it. All right, we're heading to Chris Shamy's shop right now. We got the block loaded up into the truck and everything that he needs. He's gonna be doing the full build for me. It's gonna be cleaning the block, doing a mag, bore, hone, squaring everything, assembly, the works. Now, as far as the parts that we're using, I'll drop the full parts list in the description, but we'll be going with Edelbrock aluminum heads, an Edelbrock RPM air gap, manifold. The change that I mentioned earlier, we've opted to change to a roller cam from a flat tappet cam. Costs a little bit more money, but we want to go with reliability over keeping it old school. So that's going to be great. Sticking with the KB167 Keith Black Pistons, so it'll be bored 30 over. It looks like, based off of all the calculations on compression, it's going to be about 9.5 to 1 if we don't machine the head down more. So if we just zero deck it, it should be 9.5 to 1, which is a pretty good place to be on the 318. So yeah, we'll see what the shop looks like and get to meet Chris here in a little bit.
Shamy.
Kyle.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Bruce. Nice to meet you, man.
All right, I got everything back here. I got the crank, pistons, and rods and everything are in there. I'm not sure what else you would have needed, but that I probably wasn't replacing anyways.
Oil pan covered. You're doing all that stuff.
Oil pan. Okay, I'm just gonna order a new oil pan, and I'll have it sent to you. I ordered that assembly bolt kit, and I put your address for delivery, so that'll probably be here sometime this week.
Perfect.
Anything else? Oh, you needed covers, right?
Timing cover.
Yeah, I forgot to grab that stuff.
Bring it out whenever you get a chance. No better time than now.
Yep.
Just go for the tire drop and set your ass down.
All right.
We do quite a bit of work for a backyard shop.
Oh yeah.
We do tons of work. Full machine shop inside and outside, basically. But we do it all in house.
Cool.
This is the assembly side of the building. That's where it all happens.
Hell yeah.
backyard shop, right?
Not at all.
Pretty awesome. So you have a bunch more equipment outside.
Yeah, so all the dirty equipment we have it outside.
That's a good spot for it.
Creates heat, dust, all that shit. We try to keep in here as clean as possible. Obviously, clean room. Sweep 2-3 times a day. Over there we do our crate balancing over there. That machine right now has clothes on it, but that machine does the valve jobs and stuff.
Alright.
Boring bar, this does the honing. We'll obviously check the line hone on the main cast, make sure all that is good. And then surface the blocks and heads in here.
Okay.
This is all the dirty equipment out here. Eventually we're gonna build an awning, but little by little, you know what I mean? Things take time.
It's wild because I used to come out this way to my buddy's parents' house and ride dirt bikes all over the place.
Dude, this is all grass and like branches and shit, you know, just a month ago. We actually used it for golfing. Just driving range. You can still go out there. The guy was like, you guys got a bunch of golfing out there. Like, yeah, there's probably 200-300 balls out there.
What's under this?
Yeah, this is an Nova right here, 632. Has 2 stages of nitrous on it right now, but it's gonna get a F2 Pro charger.
Nice.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nitrous DPO, filter DPO. That's getting LS swapped. LS swapped. Hot rod shop with cars and we're doing installs and stuff. This is a complete, fully built motor, pro charged.
Nice.
Trying to finish it up. It's having a little bit of wiring gremlin that we're dealing with right now. Typical GTO shit. And this one's all 6.2, 6L80, 4-wheel drive swap. Coming together little by little.
Hell yeah.
We stay busy though for a 2-match show.
All right, so day 5's over with. I know we didn't really get any wrenching done, but dropping the block over at the shop is that's progress. He said it's gonna be anywhere between 6 and 8 weeks to get us the block back, which ain't too bad. He's pretty busy, but we got a lot to work. Still got a lot to do on this. Next video is probably gonna be us pulling the transmission and doing the rebuild. We're just gonna do that ourselves. I've had a bunch of people comment, ask questions about whether that the 318's been rebuilt before or not, and I did find out for sure that no, that has never been rebuilt. It just was still in that good a condition even with over 200,000 miles on it, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited though. Like I said before, parts list will be down in the description. As it stands right now, the cam isn't 100% decided on, but we are doing a roller conversion, so the exact cam that I put on the list might change. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, finally making some more forward progress on this, and we'll see you guys soon.